Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to calculate standard deviation and variance. Okay, since we have the x here, we are going to follow it step by step. Since we have the x here, and we are going to find the x minus x bar, that is the mean, and we are going to find the x minus x bar square. Then the next thing to do here, we are supposed to know the mean. For us to find the mean, we are going to find the sum of x. That is, we are going to find the summation x. If you find this, the sum of all this is equals to, let's say, 220, and we're supposed to know the n. For us to find the x bar, which is the mean, we're supposed to have summation x all over n. Okay, we're going to add all this number, and this data is a sampling data, it's not a population data. Then when adding this, you are going to have 220 divided by 10. That is the number. This n stands for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That is the n, the summation of x. That is sigma x or summation x. You can just add this one, the sum of this. Then this 0 cancel out this 0. The answer is equals to 22. Therefore, the x bar is equals to 22, or the mean. Then we are going to find this one. Since we have x here, we have got the mean. Therefore, we are going to keep subtracting. X here is 12 minus x bar is 22. This is equals to what? Then this 12 again minus 22. 12 again minus 22. This is how we can keep adding. 12 minus 22 here is minus 10. Here is minus 10. Also minus 10. Then here we have 15. 15 minus 22 is equals to 15 minus 22 is equals to minus 7. That is 16 minus 22 is equals to minus 6. Then here we have 24 minus 22 is equals to, this is equals to 2, because 24 is greater than 22. Here is 28 minus 22 is equals to 6. This is equals to 6. That is 31 minus 22. This is equals to 9. 32 minus 22. This is equals to, for the 32, this is equals to 10. For 38 minus 22, this is equals to 16. Then in the next column, we are going to find the square of all these numbers. The square of all this number, you can keep it as minus 10 times 10. Minus 10 times minus 10 here will give 100 without this minus. Here is we have 100 also. Here we have 100. Here we have minus 7 times 7, or 7 square. We can find it as here is 49. Here is 36. That is 6 square. 2 square here is 4. Here is 36. Here is 9, which is 81. Here is 10, which is 100. Then 16. For the 16, the square root of 6, the square of 16. 16 square, here you will have, for the 16 square, here we have 256. Here we have 256. Then The next thing to do, we are going to find the summation of this one. Summation x minus x bar square. Then I want to find the summation of this one. If you add all these 100, 349, 249, that's 6, 4 plus this, which is 40. If you add the total of this, you will get 800 and you get 862. That is 862. That is the summation of this, or sigma. That is standard deviation SD. That is the symbol of standard deviation is like this. This is equals to the square root of the summation x minus x bar all over n minus 1. That is standard deviation is equals to the square root of 862 divided by 10 minus 1. Why do we get the n? The n, don't forget, if you count this number, they are 10, and that is our n as we find the mean value. Then the standard deviation here is equals to 862 divided by, we have square root of 862 divided by 9. This is equals to, that is, if you press the calculator, you will get 95.7 95.78778. That is 95.778. Therefore, the standard deviation is equals to the square root of this. If you take the square root, where 9.79, 9.79, then we are going to find the variance. The variance always is equals to the square of standard deviation, which is equals to 9.79, which is also equals to 95.778. That is the variance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Do share with your learned colleague. Bye.